त्रिविक्रमे इमालोका विश्वकाया क्रमेष्यति सर्वस्वं विष्णवे दत्वा मूढावर्तिष्यसे कथम. You have promised to give him 3 steps of land in charity, but when you give it, he will occupy the 3 words. You are a rascal. You do not know what a great mistake you have made. After giving everything to Lord Vishnu, you will have no means of livelihood. How then shall you live? So this is, I was thinking I'll explain it with the PPT. The whole idea is that, can we tell a lie? Is it allowed? Is it allowed for a Vaishnava to tell a lie? Correct? This is a big question. Now, not very big. We do tell lies, even in our personality. आज ये देखो, there's a picture वो लड़की का week के पहले week के बाद का. We tell a lie, isn't it? There was once we had the person comes here. He is actually 40-year-old. एक आदमी था हमारा, congregation है, नाम नहीं लेंगे, 40 साल. वो wig पहनता है. So what happened, one day he had gone for pilgrimage. He removed his wig in the night. The morning, there somebody saw him, got a shock, could not recognize. Who are you? Who are you? He's the same person. Night time they remove the wig. So like that, wigs are removed, wigs are put. So we are lying. This is the number 1 personality in the world. You can see before and after dying. Correct? So we do die here. Again we are lying. And look at this makeup. By makeup we can totally change the face, isn't it? They have so much thing. Can't even believe it is the same person. Correct? And है ना, तो झूठ तो हम बोल ही रहे है ना. इसमें भी झूठ है, इसमें भी झूठ है, इसमें भी झूठ है. So we are not truthful, we are lying. Correct? Lying is part of our personality. But why does lying come? It is calculated that the 4 regulative principles, intoxication, gambling, illicit sex, meat, it is gambling which breaks the truthfulness. Intoxication, that breaks the austerity. Gambling breaks truthfulness. Illicit sex breaks cleanliness. And meat eating breaks mercy. Correct? We know the 4 connection. So it's a gambling. So basically, what is needed to come out of the situation of gambling is simple living and high thinking. The devotee should be totally happy. You see, the brahmachari life means totally satisfied with what Krishna gives. Brahmachari should never think what will happen to him when he becomes old, who will take care of him. No. He should be totally in the shelter of Krishna and very happy in the spiritual atmosphere. That is called simple living, high thinking. In fact, that is the ornament of the devotee. Devotee feels so happy and satisfied by practicing devotional service. There is no need for him. Because when there is a desire for a quick money, when you are not satisfied, जब आदमी को संतुष्टि नहीं होता है, इसलिए वो झूठ बोलता है ना. कह रहा है उसको चाहिए. लेकिन जब भक्त खुश है, जो भगवान ने दिया उसे संतुष्ट है, there is no need for him to lie. है ना? Why do people lie? Lie not for spiritual, they lie for some material thing. ठीक है? They should eat. Therefore, this is what we should practice. ठीक है? Even in this, devotee is simple. In fact, here, what has happened is that Shukracharya can see what is going to happen. He can see. Here Bali Maharaj has already promised. He has promised 3 steps of land. He said, take. Vamandeva came and he gave so nice commentary. Your father was so great, your grandfather was so great, and your great-grandfather, Virochana, Hiranyakashipu and Prahlad. Virochana, Prahlad and Hiranyakashipu, all father, grandfather, great-grandfather, so great. Particularly Prahlad Maharaj, so great. And Bali Maharaj was very happy to hear. He said, what do you want? What do you want? Take, what do you want? He said, just give me 3 steps of land. He said, this is very small. No. He said, no. We should not be greedy. We should be happy with what God has given. है ना? बोला मेरे को खाली 3 step land चाहिए. So बोला तो और ले लो भाई. इतने से क्या होगा? 3 feet से क्या होगा? थोड़ा और ले लो. 100 feet ले लो. 50 feet ले लो. 3 feet से क्या करोगे? है ना? 3 feet का plot मिलेगा. क्या करेगा? और 3 feet में कुटिया बना के रह सकते हैं. मैं खुश हूँ. So anyway, so this went on, and finally Bali Maharaj said, okay, take what you want. It came from his mouth, take. And after that, Shukracharya woke up. You can see Shukracharya behind this. And Shukracharya said, hey, wait a minute, nicely painted. Wait a minute, what have you done? And is now going to give him big talk. We can lie sometime. There are 10 shlokas when we can lie. We can, because for a materialistic person, he says the body is source of even doing dharma. You need the body. So if your body is in question now, you will have no food to live. Then to protect your dharma, you can lie. Sarva dharman parityaja mamekam sharanam vraja. You are going to Krishna's shelter. So, for going to Krishna's shelter, you need the body. कृष्ण की शरण में जाने के लिए शरीर चाहिए. अगर सब कुछ दे दिया तो शरीर कैसे पालोगे? इसलिए झूठ बोल दो. अरे तुमने जब बोला था मैं दूंगा, तुमने ओम नहीं बोला ना, तो वो भी जरूरत नहीं है. ओम नहीं बोला इसलिए आप बोल सकते हो वो प्रॉमिस नहीं है, वो अभी ठीक से नहीं हुआ है प्रॉमिस. ठीक से प्रॉमिस से पहले ओम बोलना पड़ता है. ऐसे ऐसे करके तरह तरह से एक्सक्यूज. जैसे लॉयर नहीं लोग होते, लॉयर का काम क्या होता है? यही होता है. आपका पिताजी लिखेगा प्रॉपर्टी आपको, अब पड़ोसी को प्रॉपर्टी चाहिएगा, उसमें से वो बीच में जो शब्द ढूंढेगा, देखो ऐ बोला है लेकिन ये नहीं बोला है ना. तो ऐसा है लॉयर का काम. सो सेम वे one lawyer had asked, law should be logic. He said, no, law is not logic. Law means we find some mistakes in the statement. That is our speciality. Lawyer is not expert in logic. Lawyer is expert in how to find some loopholes in the law. That is our business. So Shukracharya is like that. And yesterday also I was telling a very important point. कभी कभी क्या होता है, चलो आप तो लकी हैं, दोनों बेटी हैं, बच्चा बेटा हो, एंड बेटा माँ को आके बोले मम्मी मैं ब्रह्मचारी बनना चाहता हूँ. और इतना दुख मैंने देखा, ऐसी हालत कि बुखार हो जाता है. There's one boy, very nice boy. So many of them joined. That boy also wanted to join. He was gold medalist and chartered accountant. Extremely intelligent boy. And he also said, I also want to join. घर में जाके. So I didn't think that will have any problem because his mother, father were chanting 16 rounds, doing service in the temple. घर के मंदिर के पास रहते थे, पूरा दिन दोनों रिटायर्ड थे, मंदिर में सेवा करते थे. और बेटा ऐसा होनहार, मतलब सोने जैसा. And he said, I want to become brahmachari. So I said, you will get permission. You ask, tomorrow you can join. Went home. Parents had fever after hearing. They said, if you join, we'll never go to temple. So that superficial faith comes out. Everybody says, सब लोग बोलते हैं ना कृष्ण का पूजा करते हैं, लेकिन बेटा कृष्ण की सेवा कर नहीं बेटा उतना जरूरत नहीं है, थोड़ा काफी है. जनरली क्या होता है, कांग्रीगेशन में 100 लोग हैं, बाकी 99 लोग हरि बोल, लेकिन जो माँ बाप है बहुत दुखी होता है. मैं तो एक्सपीरियंस किया, बहुत रेयर है. पूरे इस्कॉन में, इंडिया में ले लो आप, देर आर सम 200 टेम्पल्स इन इंडिया. एंड एक टेम्पल का, हमारा तो छोटा मंदिर है, बाकी का 1000 भी कांग्रीगेशन है, 10,000 भी कांग्रीगेशन है, 1 million कांग्रीगेशन ले लो इन इंडिया. इफ ऑल ऑफ देम एग्री दैट देयर सन दे विल मेक देम जॉइन ब्रह्मचारी, देन इस्कॉन विल एक्सप्लोड टुमारो. बट दे डोंट डू, है ना भाई. जितना 10 लाख इस्कॉन का कांग्रीगेशन इंडिया में, अगर सब एग्री करे कि उनका बेटा ब्रह्मचारी बन जाए तो इस्कॉन तो एक्सप्लोड हो जाएगा, वर्ल्ड कॉन्कर हो जाएगा. अभी चैतन्य महाप्रभु का भविष्यवाणी पूरा हो जाएगा, लेकिन लोग रेडी नहीं. इतना भी जरूरत नहीं, ऐसा ठीक है जैसे हम है ना वैसा ठीक है, ज़्यादा जरूरत नहीं है. इतना काफ़ी है. जनरली देखा मैं कभी नहीं देखा. Congregation son joining ISKCON very rare. Because they get used to that kind of life. In fact, one devotee I asked, he is very strict devotee. So why it is? He said because whole life they see compromise. They see at home, बीच में movie भी चलता है, बीच में ये सब भी चलता है. You know, they see compromise. So therefore, they can never come to a higher standard. They think this is enough. But if there are some rare cases where the parents themselves are very happy, they're very happy the day the son says, yes, I want to join. They're very happy. They keep preparing him, but they want him to take the decision. है ना? बच्चे को डिसीजन लेने का, फोर्स नहीं करने का. लेकिन माँ बाप को बहुत खुशी होती है जब बच्चा ब्रह्मचारी बना. बहुत खुशी होती है. अरे, so anyway, this is another issue. But that superficial faith comes out. In fact, I met one Christian lady and I was telling how there is so much protest at home. We teach in so many college में, कितना कॉलेज में पढ़ाते, कितना हजार बच्चा बोला होगा हमको भी ब्रह्मचारी बनना है. But we can't allow because parents are ready to do any kind of tamasha to stop it. And then, so we should avoid any quick money business. So the devotee should be very content and devotee ka life. See the happiness. Brahmachari means no bank balance. He doesn't have one paisa with it. He doesn't have anything. But what he has, the happiness. Correct? The total happiness. है ना? ब्रह्मचारी के पास क्या होता है? उसके पास बैंक बैलेंस कभी नहीं होना चाहिए. आगे ना पीछे कुछ नहीं. वो खुशी. भगवान का शरण में जो खुशी होता है ना, that is the privilege of a brahmachari. है ना? है ना? उसको देख के लोगों को भी बड़ा खुश. अरे इसका कुछ भी नहीं है. He is so happy. That is rare. When you hold, then some problem is there. When you leave it go, then there is no problem. Then the next question comes very, very important. Can we tell a lie to sell a book? This happened in proper times and very difficult. Devotees know, many devotees the tricks. And very controversial. Prabhupada said a very famous statement. He said, no. He said, there is sufficient merit in my books, and if you describe them sincerely, anyone will buy. That art you should develop, not the art of lying. When you sell a book, you go to somebody, you present a book, and you say, this book talks about this, this book talks about this, this has this. Oh, really, I want to buy this. This is what you should develop. But you can go another way. You can start telling lies, and it sells sometimes. Then what happens? You start practicing art of lying instead of art of glorifying. Correct? You become expert liar. And I had an experience of this because there was one boy and he was a very good book distributor, and I was so keen that he becomes part of our book distribution team. But somehow that boy came from a very rich home, so he's a very good collector. You know, for us to go to a person and ask a big amount, we cannot utter from the mouth. Imagine go to somebody, give me 5 crores. Can't speak that much. That is too much. Because that amount is too high for us. For a very rich person, his voice has that command. Kar do bhai, what is only 5 crores? You know, because he's from a very rich home. So he was a fantastic collector, and Temple grabbed him. I was not very happy. I wanted him to be a book distributor. But somehow, once I dragged him back to book distribution, now he had learned the art of lying. You know, he used to tell some untruth to get money. Oh, it was so difficult. It's so difficult. I see totally the personality had gone. He will be in my book counter, will be selling books, but he will be watching which watch they are wearing. Because by seeing the watch, you can know how rich the person is. And the moment you see somebody, rich watch, rich man, jewelry, immediately catch him, again go for a donation. You know, that whole thing had changed. And so much became the lying. The lying became part of his personality now. He started lying everything. Why you did not come for Mangal Aarti mein kyun nahi aaye? Thoda sir dard ho raha tha. Because lying has become, so Prabhupada says, Brahmana means truthfulness. Brahmana means truthfulness. Brahmana matlab jhoot nahi bolta kabhi. Correct? First quality Brahmana, Prabhupada said, is Satyam. He is always truthful. Hai na? Correct? Brahman matlab Satya. Kshatriya can lie sometimes. Vaishya can also lie. Kshatriya can lie. Kshatriya diplomacy. He can lie. He is allowed to lie. No papa. Vaishya can also lie. No papa. Correct? But Brahmana can never lie. Brahmana should always be truthful. Ask Brahmana, where is your money? It is kept in that place. How much it is there? This much money. He cannot do business therefore. His life means truthfulness. He will become silent, but he will not tell a lie. है ना, समझ रहे ना? ब्राह्मण का क्वालिटी मतलब वो झूठ क्यों बोलता है? झूठ तो लोग ये सब झूठ बोल रहे हैं लोग. This is lie, this is lie, this is lie, this is lie. This is all lies. Brahmana is no lie. He is truthful. Why he has to lie? What he has to gain by lying? And rather he knows how to glorify to sell a book. There is no need for him to lie to sell a book. And that's what Prabhupada says, by lying becomes a habit. आपकी आदत ही भी हो जाएगी, है ना? आप किताब बेचने गए, किस चीज़ की किताब है? दिस किताब बनाएगी कैसे पैसा बनाना है 2 दिन में. ओह, we devotees have done that. So when you do that again, you're like this person, you tell how you have good health and you can tell anything, he buys a book. But then उसके बाद क्या होगा? आपका उसका तो चलो क्या होगा पता नहीं, वो किताब पढ़ेगा नहीं पढ़ेगा वो तो उसको असली, लेकिन आपका वो हैबिट बन जाएगा. तो जो भी बोला झूठ. And that boy, I felt very sad, finally left the temple and everything. I felt bad. I said, no, big mistake. Why did he learn how to? And in the beginning, people had, oh, क्या झूठ बोला पता है? Whole temple used to laugh at that, some witty lie he told to get some donation or sell a book. I used to sell him for Gita distribution in the train. What he will do, he'll go to the platform, hold the book, free. 100 people will collect. With this prasadam free. Something. His personality was to tell a lie and play with the people. So that becomes his nature. But unfortunately, the lying thing, he has not stopped devotion service, but he could not remain brahmachari after that, because that totally disturbed his personality, because devotee is always lying. It is said, kuti nati should not be part of the devotee's life. Devotee, duplicitous behavior nahi hota, hai na? Jo bhakti ka, see what is happening is that we discuss the Shishtastaka, Chetodara Padamarjana. We are in Mahamaya, gradually coming to Yogamaya, correct? Chetodara Padamarjana, Mahamahadavag Nirvapan, all anxiety is finished, heart is clean. Malum hai Shishtastaka? Sheya Kairava Chandrika, with all auspicious, Vidya Vadhu Jivanam, transcendent knowledge has not started coming. Ananda Buddhi Vardhana, spiritual happiness. Yogamaya touch means spiritual happiness shuru ho gaya. Ananda Buddhi Vardhanam, Pratipadam Purna Amrit Sadhanam, Param Vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtan. Because Shri Krishna Sankirtan brings you to touching the Yogamaya. From Mahamaya come to Yogamaya. And then Nam Namakari Bahuda Nija Sarva Shakti. Now Yogamaya expands in the heart. The holy name shows it has all the power that Krishna has. Correct? Tiridadapi Suni Chena. Humbly usko Bhagwan ke naam ko jap karna. Because usme pura spiritual potency hai. Okay? Na dhanam na janam, we should have no other aspirations, okay, to get full shelter. And as Yogamaya starts expanding, and then what happens? Next, Tinarapi Sunichara Namani Namani Denakir Na dhanam na janam na sundarim kavita va jagadish kamaye mama janmani shari bhavatat bhakti etukit. Ai nanda tanuja kinkaram patitama vishabe bhavamudo kripayatava pada pankaja sita dhuli sadishman. Nayalam galada shudharaya vadanam. He's experiencing more Yogamaya. Hai na? तो ये भक्त का मार्ग है. But if he forgets this, instead of expanding Yogamaya in the heart, if he has a material desire, then his spiritual life will be lost. Okay? So therefore, the devotee should follow the honest path. But it is also true sometimes. Prabhupada said devotee is after absolute truth. He is after absolute truth. Catch the fish without getting wet. Sometimes devotee. There was once in... sometimes devotee in a situation can tell a lie on Krishna's order, like Yudhishthira Maharaj told a lie, correct? Ashwatthama Nama Kunjara Hata, correct? You know the situation? Yudhishthira Maharaj bole na Dronacharya ko, he tell lie that your son has died. So sometimes by the will of Krishna, because Krishna says Saradharman Parityajya Mamekam Sharanam, only on Krishna's order or a superior order. Sometimes, very rarely. There was one boy who used to come to temple, and we used to tell him, why don't you come? There is a festival. So he said, how can I come? I am fully tight. My schedules are tight. Tuition nahi hai kya? So he understood immediately. So we can lie sometimes. He was very sweet boy. Became a wonderful brahmachari later. We can lie sometimes. And he was just a very cute boy. We were so happy seeing his face. He was not even imagining we can lie sometimes. He said, yes, sometimes we can do. Because my whole argument is that person should be able to handle the truth. If somebody cannot handle the truth, we cannot tell him the truth. Correct? We should not lie, but you should be able to handle the truth. अब माँ बाप को बोलो मंदिर जाना है, अरे नहीं बेटा ऐसा तो नहीं करने का, तो फिर आप तो सच तो झेल ही नहीं सकते, तो आपको झूठ ही देना पड़ेगा. करेक्ट. We want to tell the truth, but you are not qualified to hear the truth, so we tell you lie. So in a rare situations, we should be careful, but it should not become a habit. It should not become a habit. Not that is our nature, then everything will lie. Sometimes, for service to Krishna, we lie, but carefully. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki.